Twist of fate, twist of fate, twist of fate, twist of fate. Run up on me, I'ma give you a twist of fate, twist of fate.
Don't know, you know. I'm a lady on the first day that reggae dancehall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside. A Jamaica from the outside. And I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them a broke down. All of we barriers, them a broke down. We are one united Jamaican. It again, it a spice up the soul.
Friends and family, welcome to another exciting episode. Now, it's no secret that reggae music has influenced various music genres in the USA, sparking interest in cultural fusion. In this episode, we will meet Marshall, a young, talented Jamaican who is a musician and an artist. We will hear his story and look at some of his work. Sit back, relax, and get ready to be thrilled.
What's going on? It's your boy Martial Arts, aka Money Mitch, representing God on My Side Entertainment Enterprises. So today, I'm gonna talk to you all about how I got started in the music industry and all the things I have going on entertainment-wise for you right now. So as you may notice, I'm wearing this shirt with this handsome young man on it, and this is my brother, Young R3. Now, sadly, about 5 years ago, he passed away due to medical complications, and I'm gonna tell you how this came about. So, in 2015, in our hometown, my brother was walking home, and a random car pulls up and lit off 5 shots at him. He was only hit one time, but we took this as a miracle that he survived this attempt on his life. Now, this story may seem very familiar to a lot of people out there, because I know he's not the only one that has been a victim to gun violence. Like I said, he did survive this attack, and from there, he came with the phrase, God on my side, because he really felt God had spared his life and had saved his life. So he was doing music before this incident, but after this, he decided to pursue music and take it seriously. Therefore, we had the record label, God on My Side Entertainment. Now, more than a record label and just a saying, it's a lifestyle. Because no matter what you do or how you do it, you got to have God on your side and have God in your life.
That's right.
So GOMS is God on My Side. You'll find me on Instagram at MoneyMitch, GOMS, Trap Rasta, and YUNG, space R3. God on My Side, ENT on Instagram. And you'll find all the music that I'll be talking to you about on YUNG, space R3, on YouTube, and on all digital streaming platforms. So after this incident, he took music seriously, and I kind of followed up as his like hype man. I would hype him up at the shows, and I started doing music myself. Now, fast forward to the time where he actually did pass away due to these medical complications stemming from this incident. It was my job to carry on the torch and continue the legacy. So that's what I'm doing here today. So I have a new song that I just released called Afro Spirit. And this song is really me diving into my Jamaican roots and my African roots and bringing more culture to the music. You know, hip hop as we know it and trap and drill music, it can be very negative sometimes. And that is the culture that we were raised up in. But, you know, we're changing the culture and we're changing the game. And it starts with all of us, you know. It's okay to put more positivity in the music, and it's okay to put, you know, godly messages in the music for the people. Something more substantial for people to listen to more than just one of them wanting them to kill their brother and their sister. We have to unite as black people, and as humankind, mankind as a whole. We have to all come together and make a change for good, as my dad would say. A change for good. So that's what I'm doing now, putting more positive messages in the music, and more positively, more godly messages, and something more for the people to hold on to and listen to that will be good for the soul. So, other than music, I'm an actor. I recently just did my first stage play, a theatrical production called We Can Do Better, which tackles the racism in the world and in America as a whole. And this was a wonderful experience. I look forward to doing more theatrical productions. And I recently also did my first feature film, a movie called The Rejects, and it should be coming out within the next year here. And it was a true story about how a young man who they labeled as dumb and they thought could never become anything, he overcame these obstacles and these labels that were trying to place on him and made something of himself. So look out for that. The movie The Rejects, brought to you by Florida Film House, and this should be a good film, and it should hit all major TV networks, BET, all the streaming networks, and you look out for that and look out for me in that movie. And I was so grateful for the opportunity, and I look forward to more TV shows and movies that I can do and participate in and continue on my legacy. Because really all we have in this life is what we leave behind. And my goal is to, by the time I'm gone, way long in the future, I hope to grow very old, and be old and healthy and live a long life. I hope to leave behind something that people can hold on to and get motivated from, and, just a strong legacy, And I have to say my biggest musical inspiration is my brother Young R3, that helped me to start my music path. And there is the Bob Marleys and the Michael Jacksons. Me and Michael Jackson actually have the same birthday, and Bob Marley, where I come from, is like almost like a god. So he's not God, but he's almost like a god. So he's been a big inspiration in putting those positive messages and a change for black people and people as a whole in the music too. So that's one thing you can look forward to in the new song Afro Spirit, and you'll see a clip of it here, and you'll also see links to my music videos and all my social medias. So lock in, tap in, and I hope you enjoy.
Marshall, 2 quick questions. Is there a theme in your work?
Music, in my
yes.
work as a whole.
Any common theme?
Yes, I'd like to say the common theme is positivity. Like I said before, the world we living in is a dangerous place and a scary place, and positivity is something that's really needed in the world. So I like to be positive, and right now I'm also trying to be more godly, be more righteous. So,
Yes.
It doesn't matter how you were in the past, but it matters how you are now and how you are in the future. So there's always time to turn your life around, always time to change and,
Yes.
Make a change for good.
That's right. Any last words for the viewers?
Well, I hope you all have got something positive out of this, and I hope you enjoy all the music and all my endeavors that you'll be seeing in the future. And
Yes.
I look forward to seeing you all. It's your boy Martial Arts, aka Money Mitch, God on My Side Entertainment Enterprises. See you later.
Twist of fate, you gotta keep the faith. This a marathon, not a sprint race. Twist of fate, you gotta keep the faith. This a marathon, not a sprint race. R3 coming hard like train freight. Why they hate? Because I up my weight. I just wanna see the heaven gates. Be successful, let me demonstrate.